I want to give you a quick update on this bamboo hedge that we planted just over a year ago. I'm so happy that it's growing so well and it's filling up the space. It was a bit of a problematic area. We couldn't get much to grow here except for the weeds. And so having planted the bamboo and put a good mulch of rice straw underneath it, it's helped to suppress the weeds and make this area a lot prettier, a lot nicer to look at. I've had a quick look around under some of these clumps this morning and we're starting to see some new shoots coming through, and there's also plenty of new growth. At the beginning of the rainy season I expect this to happen, and it is just the beginning. I think we'll start to see a lot more shoots once we get another month or so into the rainy season. I also have a planting of the king's grass, the vetiver grass, along the top ridge, and this was one of the very first things we planted in our garden. I've discovered that it's really good for the bamboo because bamboo's relatively shallow rooted, but the vetiver grass sends roots way down, so they draw a lot of nutrients up from deep in the ground that will interact with the bamboo and help to provide the bamboo with some nutrients. So I'm very happy with the way this is really taken in this location. It's getting enough water, it's getting enough light, and I've mulched it well, so taking good care of it, and it's thriving. If you haven't seen the original video from just over a year ago, I'll link it here, so check that out. And if you're new to our channel, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that like button to help us out. Thanks for watching.